Welcome to the Writing Studio of St. Petersburg College. What we're going to cover today is the format for your essays following an APA format. One of the first things you want to do, you want to make sure that your font is Times New Roman. So go over to where font is, click on Times New Roman. You want to be sure that it's 12. So you click on 12, that's the size. The next thing is to be sure that your line spacing, we're going to go over here where it says line spacing. We're going to click on that and make sure it says double. The other, and if it doesn't, click on double. The other information here is about these two lines. If either one of these lines have remove space, you want to click on that. You want to be sure that the two lines here say add space, because you want your whole paper to be double spaced. You don't want any extra lines between paragraphs. So now we're going to go and insert the header. So we go to insert, go down here to header. Okay, and then right here's this little box. It's kind of tricky. You have to make sure that you click it because in APA the first page of the header is different. We're going to type the words running head. And we're going to have a colon. Now you're going to type the title of your paper, and it should be all caps, all capital letters. And it shouldn't be more than 12 words. If you have a very long title, you can shorten it in your header. Okay. And what we want to do now is click outside of that. Oh, we need to go back in. Just click right back in. Need to change this. As notice it is not Times New Roman. So we're going to change that to Times New Roman, change that to size 12, and then click outside that. The next thing that I'm going to do now, we're going to set up the rest of the cover page. This is where you would put your title of your paper, upper and lower case this time, and then enter, and then you would put your name. Okay, then you would type in the name of your college. Okay, and then after, hit enter, and then you want to highlight all three of those lines, and you want to center them left to right. So we go up here to where it says center a line, and there you go. Now, in the APA paper, you might want to only go down one, two, the first third of the paper, top of the paper, is where your title information should be for your cover page, unlike MLA. So you want to do that and keep it there. Now I'm going to go down to the second page, which in some papers you will see that they have an abstract. So not all instructors require an abstract, but your second page should be the abstract. And before I talk more about that, I want to talk about the header for the rest of the pages. So just double click up in this header area. You want to go to insert, and this time you want to go to where it says page number. And then where page number is, you want to go on over to the second one, and there's going to be a 1. There you go. Now you want to put your cursor on the other side of the 1, and you want to type your title of your paper again, and it would be all in capital letters. Okay, then you want to tab over so the page number goes over to the right side of the paper. Now, if by chance you do what I just did, which is, oh my gosh, it went down low, all you have to do is click up here where it says undo, and it goes back to where it should be. Okay, now I'm going to click here where it says abstract. Now, the abstract, just to go over a little bit, you don't indent this paragraph, and that's all it is a paragraph. It's about 150 to 250 words. Normally you just give a brief summary of what your topic of your paper is going to be about. You might mention a couple of the resources and the research that you're going to be doing, and you might want to have a brief list of keywords. Okay, then now we're going to scroll on down to the next page. Notice that it says the title of all title of all capitals. Oh dear, I just want to double click in there, and easy to delete, just delete that. title all capital letters. And that just fixes that. And then I would tab over one more time because I did move the number over. Okay, so I'm going to click over here where it says title of paper. That's what it will be. I know it seems like we're typing that quite a few times, but that's the APA format. It's upper and lower case. You're ready to begin to type your paper. It is for each paragraph is indented, and go ahead and that's how you would do that. Now, your paper may have different sections, and you can identify them. As a matter of fact, in APA, it's a good idea to do that. But the sections are centered left to right, and they are bold. They are not all cap letters. It's both upper and lower case. Now, the final page of your paper, no matter what number it is going to be your references page. And you're going to title it the references. Now here it's centered. I just wanted to let you know that it's always on the last page of the essay. And that would be it. That's how you would set up the format for your APA paper. Good luck with your assignment and good luck with your format. Have a great day.